Hello and welcome to the BMC Atrium Core Concepts video. In this video, we will learn about some of the important limitations of AIE to AI migration. It is important to understand these limitations in order to ensure that the migration is completed successfully. No support for migration of ARX files as Atrium integrator jobs. In AIE, we have an AIE export tool to export all exchanges as ARX files. A new ARX file is generated having all the exchanges. However, migration of ARX files to create AI jobs is not supported in the migration tool. To migrate any AIE exchange, make sure that the exchange is available on the AIE server. In order to do this, import the existing ARX files onto the server. You can then connect to the server and migrate the desired exchanges. Relationship type data exchanges can only be migrated as child transformation. If you have a data exchange as a relationship type of exchange, then it cannot be migrated as a standalone exchange. Atrium Integrator always supports jobs in a particular format in which you have a primary class, a secondary class, and a relationship. So typically, you create a transformation for these classes and then for a relationship. However, you can no longer create these in Atrium Integrator. In order to migrate an exchange as a child transformation, you need to enable the to be triggered option. Click on this video to view more details about enabling to be triggered option. Atrium Integrator does not recognize data with two double quotes. While two double quotes were valid in Atrium Integration Engine, it is considered as an incorrect syntax in Atrium Integrator. You should not use two double quotes when defining a rule. Let us look at an example. Open any exchange and go to the Data Field Mapping tab. You will see all the rules listed here. Select Concatenate rule. If you have the data parameters with two double quotes, then the concatenate rule will not get migrated. Let us look at some of the additional limitations of AIE to AI migration. AIE has a concept of instances where the AIE exchange is executed. It was possible to execute multiple instances in parallel in order to facilitate load balancing. However, in AI, this is not supported. This is because AI has Kate server which manages the load balancing. Also, Atrium Integrator does not have the concept of instances as it is not required as per the design of the new tool. No support for .dat file type. AIE supports XML, CSV, DB2, etc. file formats. CSV format was supported as .csv and .dat file types. However, .dat file type is no longer supported in AI. This is because of use of Pentaho engine that does not support .dat format. You should convert the .dat files to .csv files and then migrate the data exchanges. Follow the steps given here to convert your .dat file to a .csv file. Exporting push type of CMDB data exchanges to external data sources. AIE has push exchanges and pull exchanges. Push type of data exchanges exports the CMDB data to a CSV or XML file or a database. If you have a push type data exchange with delete option enabled, then those data exchanges cannot be exported to external data sources. Please also consider the following limitations. For more details on these limitations, click here. Thank you for watching this video.